If your Samsung Smart TV keeps turning off unexpectedly, here's how to fix it. Start by checking the power settings. Press the Home button on your remote, go to Settings, then General. Ensure Auto Power Off or Energy Saving Mode is disabled, as these can shut down your TV automatically. Next, inspect your remote control. Remove the batteries and check if the power button is stuck, which might send unintended signals. Update your TV's software by navigating to Settings. Support. Software update to ensure it's running the latest version. If the issue persists, try a soft reset by unplugging the TV for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. For a deeper fix, reset the TV to factory settings via Settings. General.reset. Disconnect all external devices like HDMI cables or USB drives to rule out interference. If none of these steps work, contact Samsung support or a technician for further assistance. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.